Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how you can add your experience on LinkedIn. In order to add experience, first open your LinkedIn app. After you have opened your LinkedIn app, you can see your profile at the top left section. Click on it. Now your profile is shown. Click on the profile. Scroll down and search for your experience option. After you have found experience, click on add experience. Now you can add your experience here. You should fill up all the requirements and skills. You can also add multiple skills that you have. You can also add media files. Now you can see the save option. Click on it. Now you can see that your experience has been added to your profile. Now click on next. Now the LinkedIn will verify your experience. And now you can see that your experience has been added to your LinkedIn profile. This is how you can easily add experience in your LinkedIn profile in order to make your profile even better and easily find job according to your skill. If this guide was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to this channel for related videos. See you next time.